Hi, in this video I will share my experience with Panasonic on-ear Bluetooth headphones model RP-HF400BE-K. You can get these in two different colors, black and white. Price is around 40 euros on Amazon DE and ranging from 38 up to 52 pounds on Amazon UK. For actual pricing, see links in the description. I was testing these headphones for 2 weeks and during that time got to know their strengths and also their weaknesses. Among the good things is battery life, foldable design, weight and connectivity. Built-in rechargeable battery lasts up to 20 hours according to the specification, and to fully charge it takes approximately 3 hours. The battery also supports quick charging. 15 minutes connected to power will give you up to 150 minutes of playback. This was proven during the test, although playback time depends a lot on things such as playback volume and how far headphones are from the Bluetooth source. With a mass of 130 grams, smooth outer surfaces and easy to fold design, these headphones were pleasant to use and easy to carry. They fit nicely on the head and give the impression that they won't fall off easily, even if you really enjoy the music. There is no active noise cancelling, but on-ear design reduces at least some of the external noise. Bluetooth connectivity was working great and pairing was done smoothly whether I was connecting them to my phone, tablet or to my smart TV. And this is all concerning things I like about these headphones, so let's see what I didn't like so much. Here I will talk about sound and build quality, physical buttons, headset function and length of the supplied cable. Sound quality is the aspect I didn't like on these headphones. They produce sound which is dark and muffled, drowned in low frequencies. Panasonic is emphasizing sharp and dynamic bass through a special acoustic filter. This should improve bass response and reduce distortions. In reality, it seems someone was too much focused on the low frequencies and not on nicely balanced sound. Even vocals sound muffled and pushed back behind this dominant bass. I actually liked more how headphones that come with iPhones sound. With so many Bluetooth headphones on the market, many having really low price tag, I expected Panasonic headphones to have at least a bit better build quality. But that's not the case. They feel quite fragile and I don't know would they survive rougher handling now and then, that for sure will happen at some point during long-term use. As there is no carrying bag supplied, either soft or hard, I would advise to treat them gently. Physical buttons on the right ear cup are too hard to press and they are too close to each other, so you might push the wrong one if you're not paying attention. During these 2 weeks I had to take them off every time just to be sure I'm pushing the right button. Headset function is there, but I doubt anyone would use it unless there is really no other choice. Sound is very thin and there is a lot of noise in the channel. Finally, I don't like really short USB charging cable. Panasonic should have included at least 2 or 3 times longer one for more convenient charging. But this shouldn't be a deal breaker as headphones use standard USB micro B type connector, so you probably already have a longer one in your home. So to conclude, I was expecting more from these headphones. I wouldn't buy them because mid-range doesn't sound clear and there is too much bass, but this is just me. There is always a trade-off with headphones in this price category and no product is perfect, so see what is important for you and if possible, try them out before the actual purchase. I would like to thank the Panasonic representative office in Croatia for supplying me this review sample. Thanks for watching.